This is the worked examples video for kinetic and gravitational potential energy. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, use kinetic energy equals a half mv squared. Second, use gravitational potential energy equals mgh. And third, combine them for falling objects. Two equations to master: kinetic energy equals a half times mass times speed squared, and gravitational potential energy equals mass times g times height. Two exam tips: use g equals 10 newtons per kilogram unless told otherwise, and always square the speed first, then multiply by a half. Let's find a kinetic energy. A 2 kilogram ball moves at 3 meters per second. Write the equation kinetic energy equals a half mv squared. Square the speed first. 3 squared is 9, then a half times 2 times 9. That gives 9 joules. Now gravitational potential energy. A 5 kilogram box is lifted 3 meters, with g equal to 10. Write the equation. Gravitational potential energy equals mass times g times height. Substitute 5 times 10 times 3. That's 150 joules gained, the energy you'd get back if the box fell. Now it's your turn. Try these practice questions. Question 1. A 4 kilos mass moves at 5 ms. Find its KE. Question 2. A 2 kilos book is lifted 1.5 minutes, g sov 10. Find its GPE. Question 3. Double an object's speed. What happens to its KE? Pause the video, work them out on paper, then play on to check your answers. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. Number 1, 50j, 1, 2x, 4x5 squared, JOS 0.5x, 4, 6, 25. Number 2, 30j, mg, h says 2, x10, x 1.5. Number 3, it quadruples, x4. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.